Hello all. Namaste. So from the previous sessions, some tips, especially with the MS Word document, those covered already. In this session, some more tips will be explained. Those are also with respect to MS Word document. Let us start. So this is a blank document. This is a complete blank document. So here I want to insert picture. I am preparing the e-content for my subject, let us say. So I am searching some suitable images. If I am searching like ICT, then some images will come related to that team. So this image is very good with respect to my perception. Then by using the snipping tool, how to copy that image into the MS Word document, we will see now. Please observe, snipping tool is one application in the Windows. Here new snip option is there. Click it. Then you can select the required portion from your PC screen. Now right click on that image, copy, paste. One more keyword I am typing like welcome. So this I want to paste in my MS Word document. Simply I am opening the window of the snipping tool. I am assuming new snip. Right click, copy, paste. If you want to copy the same image in multiple places, then no need to assume taking new snip. Suppose if you want to save this particular image for future purposes, then right click, you can save as either in the JPEG format or PNG format. I am selecting JPEG. So here that was saved. So for the future purposes, I will use the same image. So after pasting the image, if you want to change the position as per your wish, I told one tip already. Right click, select the text wrapping and then choose through. Then you can change the position of the image as per your wish. Here I am unable to move the image. that looked like welcome. So what should I do? I need to select text wrapping through, then the second image also will listen my words. It will move as per our requirement. So in this way, simply you can copy any image from your PC screen. You are referring some other document. In that document, one image is very good with respect to your subject. Then simply by using the snipping tool, you can copy the particular image and you can immediately paste in your MS Word document. Now next tip, second tip. So if you want to send same information to different persons, here you need to change the address or information of some other person. So some letter if you want to send to multiple persons, here the information is same, but here you need to change the person name and address. Then you can use one trick, like please observe here, mailings tab is there. Here mailings tab is there. Please click here, select 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 recipients option is there. Click it. I clicked use existing list. On the desktop, already in one Excel sheet, some information is available. So in this Excel sheet, with serial numbers 1 to 5, different person names are available and their addresses are available, like some Raju, Ria, Tina, Sona, Tezu, etc. So I need to insert all these fields in this particular document. So select recipients, use existing list, whatever may be the Excel file in which I stored the required data that I am selecting. Now I will click here. Please observe. So insert merge field. So first of all here name of the particular person I need to insert. Then in the next line address line 1 I need to insert. Then in the third line address line 2 I need to insert. Then in the final place, last line of the address I need to insert. Here I may show comma symbol also. Here at last I can show full stop. So for my convenience, here I may show the letter number, reference number. Serial number I inserted like. Story is common in that letter. You need to send the same letter to multiple persons. Then you are taking the advantage of mailings option. First of all, you need to have the data in Excel sheet. You need to identify several fields clearly. Then by using this particular option like select recipients, you need to select the particular Excel sheet. Then in respective places as per your wish, you need to insert merge fields. Then use the preview results option. Letter number 1, that is for Raju, and his address that will be pasted here. Please observe here, I am changing to 2. Letter number 2, Ria. Letter number 3, Tina. Letter number 4, Sona. Letter number 5, that is to Tezu. So automatically the particular field value that will be changing. So here only one document is there, just you are previewing the results. You are observing whether exactly as per our wish, whether the data that was pasted or not, we are checking. Now print document option is there. If I want to print all the documents, then I will select all. If I want to initially save as the PDF, then I can choose here Microsoft Print to the PDF. Suppose if I want to take printout of all the possible documents, then I will choose the respective printer name which may be connected with my computer. Is it okay to everyone? Just now I am explaining this particular concept with the help of my laptop. There is no printer which is connected to my PC, so I am choosing the PDF option right now. Now let us see rough print. Please observe here, total 5 pages are there. Letter number 1, that is to Mr. Raju. In the second page, letter number 2, that is to Ria. Letter number 3, that is to Tina. Letter number 4, that is to Sona. Letter number 5, that is to Teju. So simply, when common information is there, if you want to change few fields in that particular information, then you can use MS Word with the help of the mailings option. then nicely you can change particular information in the respective field. That is the purpose of this particular tip. And simply you can do like this. Now total 5 pages are available in this PDF. I will show one more trick. So whenever you are having the uh, Adobe extended version in your PC, then simply by clicking document, you can extract all the pages. I am extracting all the pages. Let us see. So letter number 1, that is Mr. I want to send it to the Mr. Raju. So that was saved as a separate document. If I am selecting document, if I am extracting pages 1 to 1, I selected like 1 to 1. Extract pages as separate files. Then simply I pressed OK. Then what was happened? The first page that was saved like a separate document. Now I will apply the same trick to all the pages 1 to 5. Now please observe, rough print 1, 2, print 3, print 4, print 5, separate documents. Print 4, that is a letter number 4 to Miss Sona. So nicely you can create number of documents within seconds. Then by using the respective email ID, if email ID is available, then simply you can send the respective document to Mr. Raju by using his email ID. You can send the second letter to the Miss Ria by using her email ID. You can send the third letter to the Miss Tina by using her email ID. So very easily you can create multiple documents if information is common, if only you are supposed to change few of the fields. Then simply use the mailings option. Then insert respective field. You can see the preview also. You can edit at any time. You can do changes in this Excel sheet. Then corresponding changes will be reflecting in the MS Word document. You can take printout as per your requirement. But here I shown like simply how to save as the PDF document. Whenever I am saving the total document in the PDF form, the individual documents will be merged together. Then I have shown how to extract, means how to split into sub pages. Then individual sub page will be corresponding to the individual serial numbers, whatever you assigned in the Excel sheet. If your computer, if it is not supporting for extract pages option, means if Adobe PDF basic version, if it was installed in your PC, then directly you can't do all these operations. inserting some new pages, extract, replace, delete, splitting, etc. Then by using any website which may be intended for that operation, you may upload the PDF and simply you can extract all the pages into individual files. Otherwise, whenever you are using the Adobe Pro version or Adobe extended version, automatically you can enjoy all these features with one click. In the MS Word document, please observe here several tabs are there. By using the mailings tab, how to create multiple documents easily, that was explained up to now. Now same concept I will use to prepare certificates easily. I will show the demo very quickly. Page layout I am selecting, page border, okay. I am selecting my college logo, right click, text wrapping through, okay. Certificate of participation, this is to certify that here exactly I need to insert one name, then in the next line some designation, the third line I need to show their organization name, has participated in this program held during some dates I will show. So at last signature of the coordinator I may insert. Okay, basic template only for understanding sake, just some rough template I want to show here. So here I want to insert three different fields like name of the person, designation of the person, organization of the person, let us say. So here I need to change with the help of the mailings option. Please observe, mailings tab I am considering, I am selecting using the existing list. I will show another document. So here I am selecting the name field will come. The second place, role. The third place, their place. Here preview results option is there. This is for the first field. If I am selecting the second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So almost here nearly some 156 fields are there in that Excel sheet. Name of the faculty, their designation, their working place. So simply we can change all the fields with the help of the mailings option. So finally I can take printout here only for my convenience. I am taking some 1 to 5 from page number 1 to 5 I am taking. I am giving the name RGH. Now let us see. RGH document is available. So see the first page, that is for Mr. A. Bhaskara Reddy. He is the lecturer in some government degree college. Second page, that is intended for Mrs. Sailaja, lecturer in botany from GDC Siddipet. Third page, that is for Mrs. Edlin Deva Sugin, Associate Professor English from Chennai. So all the pages they merged together in one PDF. Then what we are supposed to do? We need to extract all the pages. Then please observe here RGH1, RGH2, RGH3, RGH4, RGH5. All the individual documents they are now ready. If I am clicking RGH3, that is the only one page that is corresponding to this particular person. Simply by using the email ID of the particular person, we will send the certificate to them immediately. So by using mailings tab option, you can insert multiple fields comfortably from a given Excel sheet into the MS Word document, and you can prepare multiple PDFs with respect to the data in the Excel sheet comfortably. For certificate preparation and generation also, MS Word will be very useful. The complete demo I have shown in this particular session. By using mailings tab, nicely you can send the certificates to the participants after an online event very easily. First of all, you need to design certificate. First of all, in the MS Word document, you need to choose three different fields. Generally, they will like name of the person, designation of the person, organization of the person. Those three things only will vary in any certificate. So three different fields you need to choose in the Excel sheet, like name, role, organization. Simply in three parallel lines, you can insert those fields and you can generate multiple certificates very easily. If you want to send via mail, use the mail ID of the respective person from that Excel sheet and you can send via mail. Another option is there. put all these certificates in a folder and save this particular folder in your Google Drive. Put all these certificates in the folder, in a single folder. Now copy this particular folder in the Google Drive. Share the folder link to all the participants. Provide an Excel sheet to them. Just beside their name or mail ID, give some serial number. From that particular serial number, they will download their certificate very easily. So in this session, the usage of the MS Word document to create multiple copies very easily. If few fields we want to change, as and when there is no need of changing the complete body of the document. For example, if I want to send letters from my office to so many students to inform some parents meeting is there on so and so date, then I need to change the address of the parent or student in that letter. The remaining body of the letter that will not be changed. Then simply from the uh, Excel sheet, which is consisting of addresses of all the students, by using the mailings tab, nicely I can change few fields like name of the student or name of the parent and their address, and I can take printout of all the individual documents, or else I can save as the individual PDFs. Later I can mail to them. If I took printouts already, then by using envelope covers, simply I will send to all of them by pasting the address of each and every person on the envelope cover. So similarly, whenever after some event, if you want to produce different certificates by using the MS Word document, that option is also available. Even you can send the certificates by using the Certify EM option. That will be also covered in these sessions, ICT sessions. But we are dealing with the tips by using MS Word. So by using MS Word also, there is a way to create multiple certificates very easily. That was covered in this session. Tomorrow is Sunday. There will be no session on Sundays. So again we will meet on Monday with some more tips and tricks which are used for online activities. Thank you one and all. Namaste.